Hello. If you don't know the vibes by now, I'm doing a realistic day in my life or realistic what I eat in a day in my life. For breakfast, I'm starting off with chorizo and eggs, which y'all saw. A matcha flavor is Nami matcha. I'm just gonna take you guys with me on this realistic what I eat in a day. Today's a Tuesday, it's gloomy, you know. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family. And if you wanna stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here as well as linked down in the bio below. We're gonna eat breakfast and then I'll see you guys again at lunch. Popping in to say or to talk about lunch because I think for the longest I've been telling you guys about how I never know what to make for lunch, so it's always hard. I made this recipe for the first time, these barbecue chicken wraps, and when I tell you guys that this actually changed my life, I ate 2 this day and really contemplating going back and eating 2 more because I was like, this is so good, this is so quick, and I actually had it for lunch the next day. This is super easy. You literally just bake the chicken. I'm using vegetarian chicken tenders, but if you just have normal chicken tenders, you bake those and then you cut up your vegetables and then you just assemble the wrap and you're good to go. So here's a quick and easy lunch idea for the people who maybe don't have as much time on their hands or just get a little busy. Totally get that. And I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you try it and let me know what you think. Okay, so hello. As you guys can see, I've been in my room editing literally all day. It is now dinner time, so I'm going to be making a pineapple chicken bowl. I'm making this recipe for the first time, but I think it's gonna be really good. But I'm gonna switch over to a voiceover. Just explain to you guys a little bit about me and my diet. Let's get into it. I wanted to take this time to talk to you guys just kind of about my life as a vegetarian. As you can see, all these meals I've made have been vegetarian today. For protein substitutes, I usually use some type of Impossible or Beyond based product. Those are my 2 favorite vegetarian brands when it comes to different tofu products, I guess I would say. So I've also been very much so trying to experiment with different recipes, so I'm not eating the same thing. As a vegetarian, it is a little hard to make sure that you're getting in all of the nutrients that you need sometimes because some meals are just a little harder to make than others. Once you find recipes and understand your cooking level, it does get a lot easier. A lot easier. I think that for the longest time I was very intimidated trying to make meals that were way above my cooking skill level, and I just had to find things that are easier for me. So now I just kind of spend some nights looking at recipes and trying to see what's good and what's not good and what may take longer to make. I always look at the meal prep time. I add 30 minutes to it realistically. I do add 30 minutes because usually I'm doing a film setup when I'm cooking, but also I add 30 minutes because if I've never made something before, there may be parts in there that are more challenging than I think that they are. It came out to be super good. It actually lasted me for 4 days eating it for dinner. So also this was a nice little meal prep for me. That's also another tip that I have when trying to make food as a vegetarian or just in general. Try and make meals that you can meal prep for a couple days so you're not constantly cooking, and it'll help with burnout. Lastly, for dessert, guys, I've been in my dessert bag lately. So for tonight's dessert, as well as the next couple days, I've been making cookies and ice cream. So I'm gonna bake the cookies and then I let them usually settle for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll put them aside. And I made these before I cooked my dinner, so then at the end of that I'm just gonna go ahead and heat the cookies back up when I'm actually ready for them. And I use the Bluebell cookie two-step ice cream for my ice cream, but I'm really more of like a homemade vanilla girl. But yeah. And that was all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to subscribe and let me know which meal was your favorite in the comments. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Have a good night. Bye.